it's Crafty Rhea, and I'm back with another video. This time it is Happy Mail or Friend Mail. Let me know below what you usually call it. I've always called it Happy Mail, but I've noticed in a lot of videos lately that people are calling it Friend Mail. So let me know what you think and if I should call it Happy Mail or Friend Mail. It's from friends and it's happy, so it's kind of both. This package I got in the mail today from a friend from one of the swap groups that I'm in, and I wanted to share it with you. I didn't know what it was first. I thought it might have been from Amazon, so I went ahead and opened it. But then once I realized what it was, I stopped. I didn't look through it anymore other than to read the note. And this is from Cindy, and it says, "Hope you can get some good use of this D-stash. Stay safe and be well." And the group is Creative Swaps, Happy Mail, and Friendship is the name of the Facebook group. So let me go ahead and open this. This group kind of has been on hold for a month or so because of the coronavirus, and we just kind of stopped sending mail. Now we're back at it again. This is a little packet of tags. I'm going to open it up and see what's inside. It's a nice little packet. I'm sure I can use most of this stuff for card making, and I think it would be great. These are really cute. Some green tags. All I need is a little caffeine and a lot of crafting. That's my mod. That should be, I think I'll hang that right in my office. I don't drink coffee, but I do drink tea and Cherry Coke Zero. That's my favorite. But I have to have my caffeine. Well, these tags are neat. They have different pieces of paper, kind of like when I made the those card bases from scraps. Look at that. That's got llamas. I love that. That's really cool. All right. These are cool. I really like that chevron paper. Some are double-sided. I really like the map. I don't know where this is. If anybody recognizes any of those city names or anything, let me know. That's kind of cool. I see some bling. Ooh, I like that one. That's my favorite. I'm going to set that aside. I love that. These look like they were painty papers. They feel like they were painted on. That's really cool. And this one is like a very thick, like a homemade paper. And this one is more like another painty paper or inked paper. This one definitely feels like paint. It's kind of rough. It's very cool. All right, well, let me put these back. I'm going to keep that gold one on the front because that is gorgeous. I like that. Let me put these back in. All right, and I will set that aside. And then there is this baggie of goodness. Let's see what's in here. It's stapled. Let me see if I can open it without ruining the bag. All right. We've got some puffy stickers. This reminds me of back in the 80s when I was in junior high and high school. Stickers were a big deal, and I had a bunch of these puffy stickers like that. That's cool. Got some stickers. This bag, I think, is all stickers. How does your garden grow? I like that. These are 3D stickers. Cute little rainbows. I really like rainbows. You can see I've got the rainbow watch band. And flamingos and a toucan. Love it. I absolutely love those. Some planner stickers. Very cool. I will use those in my planner. I do have a planner. And there's bling. Of course, gotta have the bling. Love it. And those are cool. These are very shiny. I don't know if you can see it. They're sparkly. And we have some of those words that look like those old label makers. Very cool. And this is a flower sticker, but it's got a lot of glitter on it. Very cool. Couple little tag stickers. These would be good in a planner. I think you could write on them. And a pretty heart. All right. Oh, look at these sparkly fish. Like those. More planner stickers and some hearts. Good. Just start. These will be good for little cards. It's okay. Like on the front of a card. When in doubt, just add glitter. Heck yeah. I'm all about that. More planner stickers. These arrows could be used in a planner as well. And then some of these little sentiment stickers. Very cool. All right, let me put those back in this bag. And then there's a big envelope here with all kinds of papers, which if you know me, you know I love my paper. Val would attest to that. There's a couple of these little flowers. And these, some of this would be perfect for card making. You're so sweet, or you're sweet. This is a piece of paper, very cool. Of course it's a piece of paper, that was a silly thing to say. Typewriter. This looks like a stamped image of a bird, very neat. Oh, I love my paisleys. I love that, that's gorgeous. I love that, and the flamingos, yes. And that, stripes, and Mickey Mouse. This is Marines. Those are all single, and they're pretty thin, which is okay for card making because it doesn't add a lot of weight to your card. This one is very thick. It's got numbers, and it's got this cool wavy pattern on the back. Shining Star. And this is what, black and white, but you could color it and make it really cool. I have paper similar to this in black and white. Same fonts. Congratulations, but I don't have it in blue, I don't think. That's kind of cool. These little arrows. What's on both sides? That's kind of neat. Love. Oh, the bow ties are really cool. Oh, I think these are stickers. No, they're just shiny. They're just shiny on the paper. I like that. That would be cute for Father's Day. And then the gold, and then on the back, cool words. That would be really cool for cards, but I don't know if I could get past this gold side. I think I would have to just use that side. And anchors. One thing I'm missing these days so much is cruising. I love to cruise. We take a couple cruises a year. We were supposed to have a cruise in April, and of course we couldn't go. So that paper will definitely come in handy. I love me some cruises and the anchors. This is really pretty. It's got silver plaid. That's kind of neat. I don't have anything like that. My bird's impressed. I don't know if you heard him. He just said, wow. Yeah, he's impressed. And some leaves. Very cool. Oh, this is cool. These guitars. My husband plays the guitar. I have a guitar. And I learned 1 or 2 chords on it, and I don't know anything else on it, and I don't remember the chords I learned. So I need to break it out and learn how to play the guitar. It's a really nice guitar, too. It's not a cheapo guitar. But someday I will learn. But that's really cool. And that goes really good with this paper. The colors go really well together. I like that. I might have to do something with those two together. And as you can see, it's shiny, which is really cool. I love it. This makes me think of Bear, Melissa and Bear. They're another video or a YouTube channel that I watch. It's Melissa, Mellissa. She's a subscriber. She saves her ribbons for me. She does a lot of eBay stuff. And her husband Bear plays the guitar. and makes me think of them as well. This is a neat paper. And that one is cool. That's really cool. And this is more that shiny paper. I don't know who makes that. That's really cool. And the llamas. I love the llamas and the cactuses, or cacti, I should say. That is so cool. I like the back too because it's purple, but I really love the front. And then there's more llamas. I love that. Oh, those are going to be so much fun to use. I can't wait. I don't know what I'm going to do with this stuff. You're going to see projects coming up because it's really cool. This paper is similar to the other one a few pieces back. And this one, that's an octopus. That's really cool. Oh, and I see something I like. This blue, look at this. Now that's me. If you know me, that is me. Crichton, see, he knows. He just said, wow. This is such a fun package. That is really pretty. The scene reflecting on the water. And then these little cacti cutouts. They're very cool. Beautiful. Home slice. We had pizza for dinner. Pizza is, there's more of those flowers. Pizza is one of my favorite foods ever. And this is nice. Never give up. And it's very glittery. And then, of course, there's more bling, which I absolutely love. That is such a pretty paper. It's got paisley and bling on the same paper. That's me. And this is all about spices, oregano and cinnamon and cumin, garlic, yum. And the back is spatulas. It's very cool. Oh, this is, I thought it was velvet at first. It's like a painty paper. It's very rough. It's very cool. The texture is awesome. I like that. And then this is a clear sheet with all these dots. That's kind of neat, different. And then the emojis. This is a neat pattern. Oh, this is a big piece. It's folded. I like that. Very nice. I could even use that as a big card base. I don't know. I'm going to have to see about that. That's kind of cool. And that's pretty. More of these little flowers. This is fantastic. Look at that ice cream cone. How fun is that? I like that. And San Francisco. It's a big old playing card. 6 of clubs. I like that. That's really cool. I know people in San Francisco. I might have to make them a greeting card out of that. That is really neat. It looks very vintage. I've never been to California. I've been to most states, but not California. Not yet. That's really pretty. That'll be good as a background for some Christmas cards. All right, well, there we go. That is my package of Happy Mail or Friend Mail, whatever you want to call it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and you'll probably see some of this goodness come up on some videos in the future. If you haven't yet subscribed, please click that subscribe button, especially if you want to see when I put out more videos. Hit the little bell button so you don't miss any. Please leave me a comment below. Let me know if you call it Happy Mail or Friend Mail. And let me know what you think. If you have any ideas of a way to use any of this, please leave me a comment below. You know I love your ideas and I try to accommodate everyone. And if you haven't yet joined my Facebook group, Create with Crafty Rhea, I'd love it if you did. Head on over there and ask to join. And join us. We have a great group of ladies that post a lot of their work. We inspire each other, and it's just a wonderful, friendly group. Thanks again, everyone, for watching. And until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.